Hey guys, so today is Friday, the 5th of October. I had a doctor's appointment this morning at about 9:30. So I think from there I had a few returns I had to do, and I knew I had to do my grocery shopping. Since I was like around that area, I had to do my stuff. I went all the way to Plano. That's where I have my doctor's appointment. I went to Target. I went to Costco. I went to Kroger. I went in the morning to go have breakfast. It's a quick grocery haul. Let me just show you what I got. And yeah. All right. So let's start with Kroger. I really love shopping at Kroger actually because I know I get a lot of my organic stuff from there. I kind of trust the things they have there. They have a very wide selection of organic items. Kroger, HEB, Costco. Those are like my go-to places to buy my organic stuff. I try to buy organic where I can. There's already too much going on in life. The one we can control. Sure, we should control it. Okay, starting off with Kroger. I picked up my blueberries here. I picked up raspberries. I knew I wanted to have salad today, so I picked up the salad. I like it so much. Look very fresh. This is going for $6. It says the Southwest chicken salad. Yeah. That's all for Kroger. Then we're going to move on to Costco, my favorite store of all time. Yeah. Love Costco. If you shop at Costco, let me know in the comment section. From Costco, I got this diffuser, a set of 3. It comes in saffron blooms, midnight fig, and leather amber. So this is it. I restocked on my yogurt. This is a Kirkland organic Greek yogurt, the plain one. I do only the plain one. Non-fat yogurt, grade A, as I say. And this has 100 calories per 7. So yeah, this is what I buy all the time. So I actually do Manuka honey in place of honey. So this is the one I have already at home. I also got this from Costco. It says raw and unpasteurized Manuka honey. So yeah, this is one I got. Then let's move on to Target. I got tea tree oil, 100% pure essential oil. I got tea tree oil. Oh, my hand is paining me. Then I bought the broccoli and cauliflower, like a mix, like I told you, I want to make my quinoa teriyaki bowl and I need this for it. Okay, I picked up some clothes as well. So let me show you what they look like. I'm not going to try them on. I'm doing a try on a reel on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, maybe you should go follow me and see what's there. Let me show you. A brand sent me an item. I'll show that in a bit. Oh my goodness! Tired. Let's see what we have on there. Let me go on YouTube. Let's see what we get to watch on YouTube. This girl, Lisa Victor, I've been binging on her channel. I just love how simplistic English. I love how simplistic she is. I think I knew her through, Adana Adaka. I love how she's able to stay so focused, organized. Like I've learned so much just by watching her. I'll leave her channel in the description. If you're not following her, watch her channel. All right, so there's so much for me to watch here. So once I'm done with this haul, I will sit down and watch something. But let me show you something the brand sent to me. Actually, 2. The second one just got delivered, so I have to go to my mailbox and pick that up. But let me show you this. All right, so I picked up this dress. It's like a tunic. So I want to style some outfits for fall. So I picked up this dress. Really like it. It has 2 full pockets in front. Sorry, I can't try it. You have to go and see the reel on my Instagram. Then I picked up this jumper. Really nice. Nothing too serious about it. It's gray. And again, I'm styling some outfit for fall. Again, I live in Texas. Okay, so our fall is not cold. So I am dressing for the season and not for where I live. Because if I have to dress for where I live, these things are not appropriate. They are too thick. So I got that. And I got the skirt. This is a yummy skirt. I got the skirt. I want to pair them together. Don't worry, you see how I styled it. I got that one, and I got this bag. Guys, tell me, is this bag not cute? It's very cutesy. Very cutesy. I love it, love it, love it. Shoulder bag. What happened? I need to rest. Show you what I got, what they sent to me. Hold on. I will. All right, so look at this. A brand sends me this water filter bottle jug, water filtration pitcher. They sent it to me, so I'm gonna unbox it and create a reel for this. I really like this. So when this brand reached out to me, I was like, yes, of course. Like, I know I have a water filter in my fridge for sure, but with this one, why I like this one is that because it's water filtration, I can fill this up and even use it to serve guests when they come, you know. So that means I have clean water 24/7. So this is what it looks like. Filter is 100% recyclable and replaceable. Produces up to 150 gallons, which is 565 liters. So yes, and Black Girl Magic, if you follow them, it sends me a product. It's in the mail. I can't go out like this. It's just beside my house anyway, my mailbox. So I'll go pick that up shortly and I'll show that to you. So this is what the package looks like. Black Girl Vitamin. Wow. So Black Girl Vitamin, Calm Girl, Ashwagandha. So this is what it looks like. Okay, we're gonna try it out. I hear it's very calming. I've heard a lot about this particular product. So thank you, Black Girl Vitamin, for sending this over. So picked up some mails. You know, they will address this mail sometimes and you think that is something serious. Okay. Alright guys, so I want to go have something to eat now. What's the time? It's 4 o'clock. Let me try to have lunch. I've not had lunch. Breakfast, I had a big breakfast, so I'm still literally full. Maybe I'll just have a drink, water or something and kind of chill, okay? So look at my hair, guys. I made this one. I made it last Friday. I was tired of wigs, so I tried to make this. So I really like it. All right. Talk to you guys later. I'm out this morning now. I'm on my way to an acupuncture appointment. So I started this acupuncture therapy, I think 2 weeks ago or last week. You know, the acupuncture where they like poke needles in your body? Yeah, that stuff. Yeah. So I started it. One, it was as a result of wanting to try things that I've not tried before. Because it's like a therapy, you know, it can help for relaxation, stress, and whatever. So this is my second appointment. The good thing is covered by my insurance. I think I just have to pay $30 per visit copay. So yeah, which is not bad at all. So this is my second appointment. It's at 10 a.m. Right now it's 9:37. So yeah, I want to go for it. It was interesting. Like, people say the needles are painful. My friend who also does it, who introduced me to it, actually told me that the needles does hurt her a little, but I didn't literally feel anything. So my last appointment, they had 12 needles on my body. Yes, 12 needles, but they're literally very tiny needles, so you're not gonna, in my opinion, feel anything. So I'm excited to go in for this today. I think from there I will be going to UPS. I need to return a package from Amazon. It's right at the back. What else do I have today? I need to film for Instagram, and our appointment is for 10. So see the place, Sunrise Acupuncture. Really nice place. Let's go. No, no, the ear.
The ear, not today.
Oh my God. Hi guys, so I'm back from my acupuncture. It was nice, super nice as always. Have my yeah. So I'm back. I just want to chill and watch some vlog, catch up on some vlogs and kind of chill, rest, and later I'm just going to film some video like I said earlier. Alright, so guys, I want to make dinner. At this point, I didn't have lunch, so pretty much dinner at this point. Remember I had mentioned I was going to make a quinoa teriyaki bowl, so I just cut my vegetables now. As you can see, I'll show them to you one after another, and so I can make my dinner. Okay, so let me show you what I have. So this is all I got here. So I have my mixed bell peppers. I got my green beans, I've got my spring onions, I've got my carrots, I've got my onions, I've got mushrooms, and here is cauliflower and broccoli. So it's high in vegetables, really like this. And I already boiled my quinoa already, so let's start cooking. So while I'm doing this, I'm just watching a movie, some Nigerian movie. Me and Nigerian movies though. So yeah, let's go. I'll let you know when the food is ready. Maybe I can show you the process at the point, but I don't want to turn this into a cooking vlog because it's already too long at this point. So let's go. So in here I just have butter, and I like to use butter to fry my mushrooms. So that goes in. So that's the quinoa I just put in now into the vegetables. Then the spring onions will be the very last thing I'm going to put in. So I'll come back when the food is ready. So I already put the sauce. The last thing remaining is the teriyaki sauce to give it the teriyaki. So I just covered it with the foil paper. So I just want the heat, the steam really to actually get it in. So the fire is like really low. So I just want the steam to just like cook everything in. I already put the quinoa, so, and all the sauce and everything. So guys, that's my meal here. Really excited I finally got to make this. So inside, I don't know if I remember I showed you the process. So I have broccoli, cauliflower, I have mushrooms, I diced some chicken in it, and I also had shrimps inside as well. So that's why I'm not having any other protein, because I already had I have shrimps, I have chicken in here, I have my mushrooms and every other. So yeah, I think I'm going to be ending the vlog now. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm getting into vlogging now, so just support me. It might not be the best, it might not be great, you know, it might not have all the things I need to have, but at least it's a start. Let's have a taste test and let's see how I've tasted it already, Sha. So this is that on camera. It tastes yummy. You guys should try it. Leave a heart emoji in the comments if you tried this meal. It's very healthy, very healthy. So until my next vlog, I'll try to be putting out vlog maybe once in a week. I'll try. So I'll talk to you guys later.